Type 2 diabetes doesn't have to be a life sentence. With the right steps, many people have successfully brought their blood sugar back to normal and even reduced their reliance on medication. Here's how you can take control and work toward reversing type 2 diabetes naturally. Step 1. Change your eating habits. To lower blood sugar, cut out sugary foods and refined carbs like bread, pasta, and rice. Instead, focus on healthy fats like avocados, nuts, and olive oil, paired with lean proteins such as chicken or tofu. A simple rule to follow. Fill half your plate with non-starchy vegetables, a quarter with lean protein, and the last quarter with healthy fats. Add fiber-rich foods like chia seeds, lentils, and beans to keep blood sugar steady. Step 2. Move your body regularly. Regular physical activity helps your body use insulin better. Aim for 30 to 45 minutes of cardio, like walking or cycling, 5 days a week. Add strength training 2 or 3 times a week with weights, resistance bands, or body weight exercises. Don't forget daily movement. Get up, stretch, or take short walks every hour, especially if you have a desk job. Step 3. Focus on weight loss. Losing even 5 to 10% of your body weight can improve insulin sensitivity significantly. Combine a healthy diet with regular exercise to create a calorie deficit. Apps like MyFitnessPal can help you track your food intake and progress. Step 4. Monitor your blood sugar. Check your blood sugar levels regularly, especially first thing in the morning and 2 hours after meals. Fasting levels should ideally be between 80 to 130 milligrams per deciliter, with post-meal levels under 140 milligrams per deciliter. Using a continuous glucose monitor, CGM, can help you understand how your food and activity choices affect your blood sugar in real time. Here's a quick overview of blood sugar ranges and what they mean. Normal fasting blood sugar, 70 to 99 milligrams per deciliter. Pre-diabetes fasting level, 100 to 125 milligrams per deciliter. Diabetes fasting level, 126 milligrams per deciliter or higher. Post-meal blood sugar, 2 hours after eating, should ideally stay under 140 milligrams per deciliter for people with diabetes. Consistently high blood sugar can lead to complications like nerve damage, kidney problems, and heart disease. Keeping it within 80 to 130 milligrams per deciliter helps prevent these risks and ensures your body is functioning well. The measurement of milligrams per deciliter refers to the concentration of glucose, sugar, in your blood and is commonly used in the context of managing diabetes. Here's what it means. Milligrams, M, is the amount of glucose in the blood. Deciliter, D, is a unit of volume equal to 1/10 of a liter. So, for example, 80 to 130 milligram DLO means there are 80 to 130 milligrams of glucose in every deciliter of your blood. Step 5. Manage stress. Stress causes your blood sugar to rise, so it's essential to manage it effectively. Practice mindfulness, meditate, or try yoga to lower stress levels. Even simple deep breathing exercises can help you stay calm and balanced. Step 6. Prioritize sleep. Quality sleep is key to regulating insulin and blood sugar. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night. Stick to a consistent bedtime, create a relaxing evening routine, and avoid screens at least an hour before bed. Step 7. Work with healthcare professionals. Finally, don't go it alone. Work closely with your doctor to monitor progress and adjust medications as needed. A registered dietitian or certified diabetes educator can help you create a personalized meal plan tailored to your needs. Reversing type 2 diabetes is possible with commitment and consistency. By following these 7 steps, you can take control of your health and work toward remission. Remember, embrace the power of nature for a healthier, happier you. Subscribe for additional health and wellness tips. Thanks for watching. Stay healthy, stay strong, and I'll see you in the next video.